The 2027 Brutalist Camper Motorhome looks like something straight out of a futuristic survival movie, but underneath that bold exterior is a luxury adventure machine designed for people who want comfort, power, and complete freedom on the road. From the very first glance, this camper grabs attention with its sharp geometric body lines, armored styling, massive off-road tires, and ultramodern LED lighting. Everything about it feels aggressive, industrial, and premium at the same time. The front design carries a strong truck-inspired appearance with a tall windshield that gives the driver a commanding road view. The matte metallic finish combined with angular panels creates that signature brutalist look, making it feel more like a mobile fortress than a traditional motorhome. Even parked among luxury RVs, this thing instantly stands out. Step inside, and the atmosphere completely changes from rugged to futuristic luxury. The cabin is packed with high-end materials including soft-touch leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, ambient lighting, and panoramic smart glass windows. The dashboard feels more like a spaceship cockpit with large digital displays, AI-assisted controls, voice commands, and a fully connected infotainment system that controls navigation, climate lighting, and security. The seating layout is designed for long-distance comfort. Captain chairs with heating, cooling, and massage functions make highway driving relaxing, while the rotating seats turn the cabin into a lounge area once parked. The smart space management is impressive because every corner is designed with storage solutions hidden behind sleek panels. The living area offers a full luxury apartment experience on wheels. There's a modern kitchenette with an induction cooktop, compact oven, refrigerator, and expandable countertop space. The dining section transforms into additional sleeping space, while the main bedroom in the rear features a king-size smart bed with adjustable settings and under-bed storage. One of the most impressive features is the bathroom setup. Unlike many camper vans that compromise on space, the 2027 Brutalist Camper includes a full standing shower with premium fixtures, a modern sink design, and eco-friendly water recycling technology that helps extend off-grid travel capability. Performance-wise, this motorhome is built for both highways and rough terrain. It comes with a high-output hybrid turbo diesel powertrain delivering massive torque for steep climbs and heavy loads. The intelligent all-wheel drive system combined with adaptive air suspension keeps the ride stable even on rocky terrain or muddy trails. Despite its size, the steering feels surprisingly responsive thanks to advanced driver assist technology. The camper is also designed for serious off-grid living. Solar roof panels, a next-generation lithium battery system, and integrated water filtration allow travelers to stay away from campsites for extended periods. The energy management system automatically balances power usage, making life on the road easier and more efficient. Safety technology is another major highlight. The 2027 Brutalist Camper includes 360-degree cameras, autonomous emergency braking, lane assist, night vision monitoring, and terrain scanning systems that help drivers navigate difficult environments safely. There's even a drone docking station mounted on the roof for aerial route scouting and cinematic travel footage. Another unique selling point is its modular design philosophy. Owners can customize sections of the camper depending on their lifestyle. Adventure travelers can add gear racks and extra fuel storage, while luxury-focused buyers can choose upgraded entertainment systems, office setups, or premium lounge interiors. What really makes the 2027 Brutalist Camper special is the balance between extreme design and real-world practicality. It delivers the rugged confidence of an expedition vehicle while still feeling luxurious enough for full-time living. Whether you're crossing mountain trails, exploring deserts, or simply road tripping across the country, this camper feels built to turn every journey into an experience. The 2027 Brutalist Camper Motorhome is not just transportation. It's a statement piece, a luxury apartment, and an adventure machine, all combined into one futuristic package that completely redefines what modern camper living can look like.